What's up, everybody? Hello, everybody who joined me today on this live stream. How was your day? Happy Friday, by the way. Happy Friday. Let's see how the market is going. Um, this print was quite a nasty one. I see that we got tremendous breakouts through the markets. We got this breakout from the range on Bitcoin. So the opening range was at 58,300 up to 58,600 on my chart. So you can see that we got here on a sideways since this morning. And in about like hour ago, we just broke through this 58,300 and went straight down, now trading at 57,550. So, let's see where we at in terms of stock market. Stock market pretty much printed the same way. We got the rising wedge over here through yesterday, and we actually broke through the support through the 5550, and right now trading at 5520. Yeah, really interesting, at least, and let's see how it will go today. Hey, everybody who joined, just type hi in the chat. I hope you can do me this favor. Just type hi or hello or good morning or good evening, whatever your time frame and time zone is. So this is Friday, so I want to just to have a chill day, just to say at least. I don't want to rush any trade right now. I'm going to check the market, check the position and where we are at, and let's see who there. I'm going to type hey for everybody, and yeah, let's see what everybody is doing. So yesterday was quite choppy. We got this upside movement to the 50, almost to $59,000. But yeah, that was 59,500 to be honest. It was quite a choppy move. We got ourselves in different positions, and each time we got the stop loss. Yeah, I hope you guys did better than me yesterday, but yeah, it is what it is. So yesterday we got ourselves chopped up in this range, so you can see how choppy the price action was yesterday. Eventually we went down. However, I wasn't home by this time, and I didn't trade this action. By the time when I get to the home, I only got the crumbs, and I only got myself in this position from 57 down to 56 300. So got small short over here, shy 140 buck profit. But yeah, it was something for the day. And the night session was quite bouncy as well, so we got moved to the upside, then some consolidation movement, and then another move to the upside through $58,000, and we got ourselves in this opening range at 58 658 300. So I'm going to check chat rooms in the Telegram, and I'm going to back on this just a second. So so yeah, okay, I check this one, so let's see. We got a very interesting price action over here. Pretty interesting price action. trying to form something over here, possible triangle. Let's see. Once again, I don't want to rush trades today. Today is a Friday, and it is a third Friday, and that means that the options is there is a lot of options expired today, so that's going to affect the markets. So we're going to I'm going to follow up on that today. Let's see. Where are we at? So right. I see some people coming to the live stream. Nice to see you guys. Type hi if you join me today. Let's see who is with us today. Yesterday was quite a busy day. We got a lot of interesting movements on the price action. Today, I hope it's going to be also interesting, and we're going to see some opportunities for the trading over here. So going back to a 30-minute time frame over here, maybe 50-minute time frame. So we got ourselves a picture right here. Got our volume profile over there. So you can see the volume. We got today volume even bigger than yesterday, which is, by the way, not actually yesterday, but by the night. So at the night, and if we compare to the volume of yesterday breakout, that's happened in the evening, in the Europe evening, and yeah, we got that volume kind of much bigger. However, this volume is kind of compared to these sessions as well. So we got pretty good volume over here. So what we got on the Kaji chart, I really like this Kaji chart. It's kind of what I do like about the Kaji chart right now is that when you try to scalp things, it's got less noise and it's more relaxed. At least to me, I find this way more helpful. So we got this resistance at 57,900 over here. We potentially could get a breakout from it. Let's see how it will roll. This resistance is 57,900 from yesterday range as well. So we're going to see this price action there as well. So let me configure some things over here, and I'm going to back. Okay. So over here on this chart, this is hourly time frame on the Bitcoin. What we got from yesterday, I found that we created some kind of downtrend channel over here, and today was quite an interesting opening. I hope you guys could trade this because I couldn't. I was in a hospital to make some papers, and yeah, I couldn't trade this breakout. But we got this nice sell the rib situation where the prices come back to this resistance and pull it back to the levels below. So from 58,600 we got ourselves to 58 and to 57,500. So this is quite nice numbers, and it looks like it was quite a cheap short, to say at least. And yesterday was much harder to trade because in this kind of, you look at 1 hour time frame and you see, oh, just a few candlesticks. However, yesterday was really choppy. If you was with me, you kind of know that we got ourselves in this choppy area. You can see how far the swings go from the one single candlestick. We got from 58,600, 700 to up to 59,400. So about $700 move inside one candlestick. That's a lot. And so this is kind of in 15 minutes just. And yeah, it's kind of a lot. Price action was yesterday, and it was, it's one of those days when it's really hard to trade. So yeah, got myself in this one. So today was kind of easier, I would say, at least from what I see and what I saw in the morning. That is where there is could be a potential good trades before any other. So yeah, I hope you guys could take this scalp. Let me know if you take this scalp over here, or if you notice that as well. I also want to check levels from this. So we got this range. We got the range of 61,000 down to 54,000. I think this is the range where we at. We're going to trade inside these levels for next couple of days. I'm pretty sure about that. So for what I see, most of people in the market didn't expect price to make a lower low over here. And yesterday we discussed that possibility as well, but we didn't expect that quite well. But right now we are in this situation where we got lower lows, and lower highs, and yeah. So market is rolling over. Market is you can see that the market is rolling over. It cannot hold 60,000 or whatsoever. So you can see that the market is rolling over 60,000. We got this big resistance over here. I'm going to mark up is with a I don't know, maybe a red color. Yeah, should be good. Red color over here, and we got the. So today we got the breakdown from this level of 58,500. So, and we got retest of this breakout. So yeah, we kind of we need to be really careful with today's entries. I don't want to go any longs in these positions. I don't want to go any longs in terms of this price structure over here on daily on 1 hour time frame. Simply because we got downtrend channel, we got the breakout from the major support since last week, basically. So this is the trading of the last week, and we got ourselves in this week. We got ourselves in this range where we shooting below this support, and we got ourselves fixed. At least right now, it looks like we got a fix below this area and below this level. Hey guys, I see a lot of people join me today. Thank you for joining me today. If you're watching this right now, please do me a favor, hit the thumbs up below this video. And if you're still not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe and notification bell as well, so you not miss another live stream. I really hope to make another live stream in the Monday, but I'm going to see how. Right now, it's really hard on electricity in Ukraine, so we got some schedule over here for electricity, and so sometimes it's really hard to put some time for this live stream. But so far we got lucky. We got in pretty much the same time over here, and we got this live stream in pretty much the same time zone. So yeah, so hit this like button. This really helps me out. So, okay, going back to this discussion. So I got this idea that we fix it below the 58,400. So that's why I'm going in, and we are moving in this. Let me use another highlighting tools for this one. I'm going to use this channel. So you can see this channel. I'm going to send it to background, so we can see this channel quite clearly. We got this downtrend channel, and we're working inside this resistance area. And so this is why I'm currently looking for short opportunities over the market. Let me know what you guys think about the market. Do you think we go down today, or we going to the upside? What is your thoughts on the market? Just hit in the chat up or down. If you, I don't know, if you cannot use this chat in the YouTube, you just can go to the Telegram and put them in Telegram. I'm going to read it loud, so we're going to see this one. Hey Brian, I see you got there. See your message. Brian said short from 58,300. Nice one, really nice one. I really enjoyed that you joined me today and you shorted from 58,300. Let's go. Amazing. That is good. So, back to the low time frames, we got ourselves in the breakout from 57,900. And we currently 57,950. So kind of bouncing over these levels. But for me, it's looking like we got some kind of inverted head and shoulders over here. So we possibly, there is a possibility that we're going to roll over a little bit higher to 58,200. So stay aware of that. Hey, amazing videos. What about Ethereum USDT? Yeah, let's check this out as well. Let's check Ethereum as well. So, this is pretty old chart from the beginning of this week. We discussed this couple of times that we got this big support line over here, that line over here. We got through breakout, and we got ourselves in this choppy area where we going down from all over the places. And take a look on this. Mostly Ethereum is copying what is Bitcoin doing, and there is only a small amount of time over the markets when the Ethereum is going in different direction. So right now it's still kind of copying Bitcoin. We got this downtrend channel right here, and we got few levels to trade. I don't really like to trade Ethereum intraday. So far, I'm really enjoying to trade S&P and Bitcoin. But yeah, for Ethereum, we got this middle level as well, 2,500. So you can see let's put it all over to 2,500. So round numbers. And what we got over here in 1 hour time frame as well is that we got these rising channels. I'm going to change the color of this so it's going to be more prettier, because right now it looks like shit. So we got this kind of rising channels, rising wedges over here, and so it's pretty much the same to Bitcoin. Like, let me show you this. So I hope you can find the sense in this. So you can see this rising channel wedge, and here we got the same. And on Ethereum we got pretty much similar price action, where we got the breakdown from resistance over here, and the levels are there. So the levels is 2,540. So currently I'm looking for market to bounce to 2,540, and we're possibly going to get some choppiness inside this range of 2,540, and then after that we could potentially break down to the lower level of 2,500. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for. All right, guys. So thank you for those who put the like below the video. I really appreciate that. Um, really appreciate that. So we discussed Bitcoin, we discussed Ethereum. Let's see what is the market are doing now. We got rejection over here from 58,000. So 58,000, we got the rejection over this level. So we bouncing off this level. Let's see how it will roll over here. Creating another rising support line over here. I'm going to highlight this. So let's see how it will develop. So on the 15-minute time frame, you can see we created some kind of head and shoulders setup, right? So we got head and shoulders over here. We already broke through it. We already in the area of target of this pattern. So technically, we got no patterns at all right now to trade. So that's why I'm kind of patient right now. I don't want to force myself in the trades. You know, this is Friday. Once again, Friday, options expiration day. So that's going to be not going to be as wild as CPI Wednesday, but it's going to be wild in different way, I guess. So yeah, taking my time here, trying to make better entries. So we got here creating some kind of resistance at 520 on S&P, and this is this shape over here on low time frame. It's looking like similar to some kind of scoop, you know, and we potentially could make a rounding bottom in here, and some if the buyers step in, we could get a potential bounce back to 540 on S&P, and on S&P you can see that we are rolling over. So yesterday we opened with a gap, we move it up to 5550, but today we're rolling over. We just making a retracement from the yesterday price action, and it seems like we got ourselves in. You can see at the first level of retracement on Fibonacci at 0382. We still got 05 in the radar, so we could potentially get the price down to 5500s. That's going to be another option for today. And so let's mark this up like this, like an option, or we could get, I'm going to redraw this. So first option over here is to go to 5500 and bounce back. Another option over here is stay, create this round bottoming shape that I'm currently having on the right chart, and then bounce back from here. That's the opportunities over here that I'm currently seeking, and yeah, let's see how it will go. From higher time frames, let's check it out on these charts. S&P. So you can see over here on this chart that we got this bear rally over here. We got breakout through this resistance. The only resistance we left, pretty much the only resistance we left is that we didn't broke yesterday. It's 5585 600. So this is the area of major resistance for stock market right now. And you can see we got this rolling over from this resistance. And another important issue here is that we didn't retest the breakout. So maybe the market is rolling over to retest the breakout because it was a quite emptiness in this area. And I guess we potentially have here a gap. So I'm going to see an S&P index. Yeah, we got this gap. So you can see we got this gap. So potentially we're rolling over. We're going to fill the gap over here, and then go to the upside. However, we got lower gaps over here. There is another gap. So we got quite a few gaps over here. However, that could be a breakaway gaps. That gaps that is never going to fill. Uh, so in order to just go to these levels like 5300 once again to 5200, that's a lot. And to go there for stock market, we should have some kind of strong force, or at least strong bad news coming from the market or from economic data that's going to push the sellers, push those who entered this deep to sell their positions in profit and loss, whatever they're going to sell, and then it's going to make the prices going down. However, I'm not looking for this right now because we kind of get normal numbers. We on CPI Wednesday we got numbers lower than expected on inflation, so everything is pretty much going good. So I'm not going to um, I'm not going to tell things that is going to be really bad. So yeah. So looking for rolling over here this to filling this gap is normal. To get to 500 once again possibility. That's it. But not more than this. I'm looking for this one as well. So over here on Bitcoin, we respect this rising support over here. We move into 58,000 right now. Moving to 58,000 right now, and creating some kind of inverted head and shoulders over here. So I'm going to highlight for this one, head and shoulder, that I see. And so the height of this, the length of the head is about that. So we could potentially go to 58,300. So Brian, if you're watching this right now, then be careful. Be careful. Maybe put a stop loss over here to protect your position to stay in profits, or if you're comfortable enough, then wait. Maybe we're going to get rejection for 58,300 because today we got this breakdown from 58,300. So that could be potential retest of 5300, and then we could get another rollover to the 58,000s once more. But let's see. I'm not going to hurry things up. I'm going to stay on a relaxed note today. I'm want to see how market is going to react over the news, and things like this, and then I'm going to try and scoop some trades. All right. Um. Okay. Okay, Brian. So Brian said, haven't entered yet, but looking to enter at that area. Okay. Yeah, that's a viable option. Like I said, once again, that we could potentially have the retesting of the 58,300 and then come back to 58,000. So let's see how it will roll. Right now, I'm going to switch over to 1 hour time frame as well, and let's see. Meanwhile, guys who watching this right now, if you still not click the like, there is your opportunity. And if you want to check other coins or stocks or other markets indices as well, just let me know or what you want to check, and put them in the chat, or type me in the Telegram or in the Telegram chat room. So whatever is more convenient for you, then use that Telegram or chat. So, mm, So what I'm looking at right now, I'm looking for some kind of news over here, and I can't see anything that going to impact the markets in a bad or good way. But when we don't have bad news, we almost likely going to have a rising price action. But let's see. Let's see how it will go. So looking for something over here. Let's see. Okay. So nothing major happening on the markets. Nothing major in the news. Going to check few other spots for data. Just a second. Hmm. Okay. Right. So we come back to 58,000. Still on 58,000. S&Ps not rolling over, just holding there at 5520, 5522. Hey, Sylvain. Let's see. Let's see your request. So request is FXS All right, let's check it out. FXS What we got here? What we got over here? I'm just going to start from daily time frame. So, So we got ourselves in almost a new all-time lows. USD. This is kind of big structure over here, like tremendously big structure, like triple top or something, or head and shoulders. That is tremendously big structure, and we got another head and shoulders over here. Sorry. Come on, draw normally. Another head and shoulders over here. There is a, I would say, rounding top. Things like this shaping the markets, and you got something in the mind how this asset performing in long term. So, what we currently have from the bottoming patterns. So we got here triple bottom. That is, I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this. It's just a kind of double bottom. Over here. However, what we currently have over here. Let me check. So let me draw some resistances and support lines. You can watch this. And yeah, it's kind of wedgy pattern. So you can see that we go inside the wedge, we bouncing around support and resistance line, and at some point that's going to be an exhaustion of the sellers, and at some point there is going to be some kind of weak bounce back to the upside. So this is kind of wedgy pattern. I do enjoy wedges all over the crypto markets because most of the time we got some kind of wedge, and we got some type of sometimes we got rising entry. So when the price is rising, so the entry on this shape, you know, sometimes we got something like this, right? And sometimes we got falling entry on this pattern, and that is going to be like this. So there is a few options for that. And over here, it looks like we got falling entry. So right. Um, so over here, we could potentially create some kind of structure before, I don't know, before entering this one. To say at least, hmm, so we bottom it at 1.5. So that is previous double bottom over here at uh, summer of 2021. And right now we are at these levels. Let's break down to 8 hours. Nothing major. 4 hours. 4 hours. We got some kind of resistance over here. I would not rely on this pattern too much right now. We got few levels. One, obviously 1.5 and 1.6, 1.7, almost 1.7. And yeah, so that's it. So this is the levels where it could potentially make some kind of actions. So 1.67, 1.72, and 1.5. Yeah. So far, kind of weak looking. However, it could potentially create an exit from this wedge, and when it's going to have this exit from the wedge, that's going to be a good opportunity for entry. But like if you like to risk a lot, that's going to be some kind of entries over these levels, like from 1.7 or from 1.5. You're gonna get you possibly gonna get better entry if you're going to spot this, but it's going to be more riskier as well. But risk reward they're going to be higher, obviously. Seems nice. Let's see FXS seems nice. Let's see FXS BTC. Man, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. It's kind of interesting, really interesting. I don't know. This is downtrend markets. Like, for example, like Litecoin, we waiting for Litecoin like years, and the Litecoin is just dumping in the similar fashion for years and years, and you know, sometimes you wait for this tool for too long. You got so many losses over here. You're just trying to buy the dip, sell some kind of pullbacks, and that is not profitable at all. And so yeah, so this is kind of, it's so, even though like this is kind of pattern that I don't, I'm not even calling the falling wedge, because it looks to me like a chopsticks, like Japanese chopsticks. That's kind of what it looks like, and we need some kind of some kind of sushi roll over here to go somewhere, you know. that what we need here is actually we need a structure, and so what you can notice from previous price actions that went to the upside is that you get some kind of structure. So basically, for example, over here, you got this kind of wedge in the end of the drop. In most of the cases, you got some kind of let me put RSI, for example. You're gonna get an RSI divergence over here. So you can see that RSI is making higher highs or higher lows, but the price is making lower lows. So you get some kind of divergence. But you can see it with even without RSI that is looks like there is going to be some kind of divergence. Then what is happening right now? You can see here we got small divergence over here. We got really small divergence over here, but I'm not convinced, to say at least. I'm not convinced by that divergence, to say at least, and to get better entries, to get better confidence in this, we need kind of have something bigger than that. Maybe I'm over pessimistic on this one, but so yeah. Oh my god, Bitcoin is breaking out to 58,500. 58,500, and yeah, it's kind of interesting what is happening right here. S&P pulling. And we back.
All right.
We're back. Sorry guys, I got electricity shut down for a brief moment. So yeah, that's the situation over here. So yeah, try to resurrect this live stream. Hope you can see that we are live back again. So where we at right now? We are breaking out through 58,600. At least we trying to push over, but right now we are back to the range, to the opening range right now. Yeah, so let's see how it's going to go. Maybe there is some opportunities over here, but I want to get back to the Bitcoin chart on this window because we got ourselves some plan over here. So what we got there is that 58,500. We currently retesting this area. We currently could have a fake out and things like this over this area, and so yeah, whatever the case is going to be, let's see how it will go. For now, I'm still looking for opportunity here. That Head and Shoulders was quite a good signal, but not every pattern that you see is going to be good to entry, you know. So anyways, right now we're rolling over to 58,500s over here. No. So let's see. See, we got some kind of flag over here, but I, from what I know, sometimes Bitcoin is not respecting this type of things. So let's see how it's going to go. S&P made a retest of this area, and right now we currently having some building up another support line. So we rolled over 525, and right now trying to stay there. And I'm interested to see price get back to 5,535, maybe 40. Let's see. That's kind of shape. It's good potentially, you know, to develop in the wedge pattern. If we're going to reject 5,530, if we're going to reject this area of 5,530, that's going to be a spot for short entries, because this wedge is kind of shaping out, and if we're going to reject from this area, there's going to be a potential short entry from the wedge. So the wedge is like this, right? And that could be a potential retest of 5516, or it could be a potential bounce down to 500. So let's see. Maybe we're going to break through this level. Maybe we're going to break through this level. I don't know. Some kind of rally building up. Let's see Bitcoin. Still there, still in the same range. Got we got about half of the hour to go to next candlestick print. The next candlestick going to print probably outside of this channel. That's a possibility over here. So I don't want to gamble too much, because this is kind of area that I'm not I'm not really want to enter, you know, slippery trades. That is not the area where I want to go in any slippery actions. Like, I don't want to go in a long over here while we're still below this resistance. And because of chance of breakout to the upside, especially when we tested with this kind of big shadow, that's going to be another like spooky action to say at least to get in short over here. So, like I said, I don't want to gamble over this area. I want to get some good entry, and I want to get a nice trade. I'm not going to force this one. Where are we at? So they're kind of moving around 550, 530. So, okay, what we got today in coin market cap over here. So there is some interesting stuff going on. Let me check it. So Bitcoin. So we got diminishing returns from here. So we got rolling over from this top down to previous range of the 2 weeks ago. Ethereum still the same in bouncing from 5,700, then right now at 5,600. This is Tether. BNB 518. Kind of bouncy. It's not making too much. Solana 140. Dogecoin 010. Holding strong, I guess. Cardano still there. Tron making new highs. Wow. Tron is making new highs over here. You can see. Let's check it out. Okay, we got some kind of push. Okay, we got push from this flag. Push from this flag. I'm going to set up position size to quarter of Bitcoin and see. Going backwards. Maybe to retest this area. Let's see. This is quite a big flagpole for this flag, so we could potentially get a nice movement to the 59s. It's going back. I don't want to miss this, so I'm going to wait a little bit with Tron. So S&P pushing more to the upside, trying to get above 530. Pushing higher over here. So let's try a small long over here. We got a retest of this area on of the flag. I'm entering small long over here. I'm going to put a small stop loss at 58,300. 58,300. I'm looking for targets like 59,200. So let me see. Let me see where we at going now. 59,100. So yeah, that's kind of good area. It's kind of good area. You can see over here that we got a lot of levels over there, like 59,000. So basically 59,000 is going to be a reachable target. If we're going to measure the flagpole from this, that's going to be, yeah, I'm going to correct this a little bit to 59. That's 59.96. That's going to be my target for today. Let's see how it will go. S&P breaking out. Then we're going to see. Yep. I'm looking for S&P as well. I'm looking for possibility to go to the upside from here because what we discussed it in today's opening that we could potentially get a nice rebound from this Fibonacci area, and so right now I'm looking for this choppiness around 53. What is this? 55.30, and yeah, let's see how it will go. Going over here, pushing downwards a little bit. Let's see. Where are we at? We're still there. It's what I said. I don't really want to get this trade, but this breakout from this shape was kind of convincing to me. So this is why I'm entering this one. And let's see. S&P breaking out. Let's try small long over here as well. I'm looking for a small long over here and I'm going to put stop loss somewhere in between 526, 25. Yeah, let's put it 25, below 25. In the target profits for this one, I'm going to put to 43, almost 45. I would like to see 45s actually, but let's say 43s, 44s almost, basically. So we got two longs over here on the Bitcoin and on S&P right now. Let's see how it will roll. So far, Bitcoin is trying to break out from this flag, but there is a really high confluence area of the resistances over here at 58 600, 58 300. That's the area of a lot of things going on. We got a lot of supports over here. We got a lot of we pretty busy area, to say at least. And so yeah, so that's going to be a risky one. Let's see how we're going to manage that. What I noticed from yesterday, we got a couple of entries that was good. I tried to revisit yesterday entries and to see what was good, what was wrong about it, and what I noticed is that in most of the cases, my stop loss was too tight to the price action on the Bitcoin yesterday, and that's why we got so many stop losses trades, but many of them was actually right in terms of directions. So, and in order to to kind of compensate on that, I think I need to get a better entries, or I need to put a higher stop losses. However, I cannot put higher stop losses because of my risk management. So I cannot lose more than some amount of money in the day, right? And that's put me in the position where I decided to go with a smaller entry size rather than getting more losses in case of bigger stop loss, right? So right now I can afford myself a bigger stop loss because I decreased the position size, and my strategy going to be is if I'm right in the direction and the stop loss is still holding, things like this, Then I'm going to add more to position in case I'm right in the direction. So what I was trying yesterday, I was trying a couple of shorts at 59,000, 59,600, and many times I got in the stop losses, and the stop loss was too tight compared to the price action on the chart. So that's why I got washed out by the market. And so in order to to defend this and to try to get over this, I tried uh, to go with a lower position size and bigger stop loss. Uh, what's it called? So bigger stop loss. What's it called? Distance. Yeah, this is going to be distance. So I hope this makes sense, and let me know what you guys think and what you guys doing in your future trading. I'm really curious. That's interesting to discuss. And yeah, going back to S&P, going pretty well over here. We push into the upside. Um, I'm thinking that we're going to reach this area. So this is kind of channeling right here. And yeah, pretty good target area. We could actually reject from 55.36. We can reject from here because this is the area of this co-influence over here. And yeah, let's see. Let's see how it will go. I want to delete these things. What I do like, we got at first I was thinking that is rolling over and that is rounding bottom, and this is kind of what is this. And right now we kind of get the channel over here, so this is the channel to the upside. So let's see. Nothing major happening. Another resistance popping out. I see another. You can see even that this is a two parallel resistances over here. Let's see if we can make to break this one, or are we going to stay below. That's the interesting setup over here. So S&P still staying 55.30. Still got this long over here. So we got a bunch of sellers pushing on the 55.37s, and 55.37s was the area of this low over here, and as well as 05 of Fibonacci, almost 05, so still counts, I think. Let's see if we're going to see more buyers step in on this area, then we're going to get a nice movement to the upside. All right, what else do we got here? Uh-huh. So I got distracted by these trades, and I wanted to check. What is going on with the Tron. That is kind of interesting part. You can see that we got a higher high over here, while the market is doing what it's doing. What is this? That yeah, that's not this. This is XUSD. Tron USD. So there it is. Tron USDT making interesting price action. We got. So this is the all-time highs or what? No, this is not all-time highs. This is not all-time highs. This is a little bit different. So this is all-time history for Tron, and well, it's kind of find its place, I guess. So we got. So I'm gonna micro a few levels over here and see. Oh, there is a lot of levels, a lot of levels of influence, and oh yeah. So where we at? So basically this is a nice triangle, nice big massive triangle over here, and yeah, where we at right now? So we got double top over here, got rejection candlestick over here, rejection another one over here. So well, very interesting. As this kind of price action, I kind of remember it. We discussed this one. Discussed this one a couple of days ago. That is just like very strange looking price action, very strange volatility, to say at least. And here we got smaller, smaller price action over here. Got really tiny price action. Actually, really tiny range inside A, I guess. Let's see, 30-minute time frame. Now I see. So it's making really small price movements, and that's just interesting. That is interesting. We got resistance over here. Got support over here. I don't know. It's kind of interesting at the same time. It's kind of hard to tell where it's going to go. It's creating some areas of some channeling effect over here. I don't know if it's going to continue, but stop loss executed over here. So we got breakdown, unfortunately, over here. So yeah. So yeah, this is what it is. It was a risky trade, and we got this. And we got this. So we're breaking down to the downside, and we got a breakdown from here. Right. Let's see what it's doing on S&P. S&P still moving to the upside. Still moving to the upside. 5,538. So Bitcoin made a higher high, and and still rolling down. I mean, this is kind of overwhelming. So over here, I don't know. I really surprised by the price action on Tron. I'm really surprised by the price action over Tron, but I don't have much to say. I don't have much to say on this. Yeah, so let's keep it like this. So let's keep it like this. I don't know. I'm not really sure where it's going to go over here. It's kind of interesting channeling effect. So yeah. So we got breakdown. Here we got rejection from 540s. Rejection from 540s, but we still keeping in this tight channel. So not moving too much. Not moving too much. Like I said in the beginning, I want to be more patient today, and you know, like from Bitcoin, we got this tremendously risky trade that happened in the inside all of these co-influence areas, and we got failed, and that's kind of what you normally expect from this area. So yeah, and this is kind of crazy. This is kind of crazy that we got all of these rejections, all of these rejections over here. Not much to trade, to be honest. So basically, price moving inside this tight range. Not so tight that it's happened in the opening hours, but yeah, it's still kind of 57,500, 58,800. So about $1,000 range. Maybe it's kind of algorithmic trading or something like this. Just getting entries in the lower bound and getting exits in higher range. I don't know. That's so S&P. Let's try on S&P more. Let's see if we're going to break through 5540. That's going to be awesome. Still there, we're still not breaking out. Can potentially propel to the 5550s. I personally would like to see that, but it's pretty hard. Like, we got so many hiccups over here on each round numbers, like 35, like 40 right now, and next is 45. So yeah, so Bitcoin is trying to do something. I don't know. To me, it's kind of wow. Like when I'm trading Bitcoin and I'm trading S&P 500, I find that on S&P I got more profitable trades than on Bitcoin. I got more precise entries on the S&Ps, and if I'm compared them like each other, if I'm compare them in between, I find that I got better entries and as well as better stop loss management for S&P as well. So I don't know. Maybe this is just a nature of intraday trading on Bitcoin. I'm still kind of training on this one because it's kind of new to me to trade intraday on the Bitcoin, and yeah, I find it's kind of difficult, to be honest with you guys. And for S&P, it's more pleasant, I should say that, to trade this intraday. Um, yep. So I actually forget to update on fear and greed index today. I see that I got this number 29. That is actually yesterday number. Today number is 27. Today number is 27. I'm going to update it right now. Let me just upload this one. So today's number 27. Today number is 27. So I don't know. So yeah, today is 27. Not too bad, but yeah, we're still kind of in this really low range of the fear and greed index on Bitcoin. So and Bitcoin back to this range. Oh my god, this is kind of stupid range where the market is just pushing up and down matter of minutes, and that's annoying to say at least. It's just stupid. And we got another hourly candlestick going on. And so another one.
Another one.
That's another one, another hourly candlestick. And we got it printed below the resistance of this channel. So logically, we got to go short. But on Bitcoin, everything can happen. So I don't know. I don't know if we're going to go and short this one or not. I'm still trailing this. I'm still trailing on the S&Ps. We got pretty flat and meaty, I should say meaty channel over here, and I'm waiting for this one. Why I'm waiting for this one? Because it looks like it's trying to roll over below 55.35, and yeah, it's not. Let's see on candlestick chart what's going on, and nothing. It's just I don't know. So we're bouncing around 35s, and that's it. Okay, I'm going to check. I'm going to check some. Oh yeah, Brian today said that he want to enter a short from 58,300. So currently we are at 58,300. Should we enter a trade? Should we enter a short over here? I don't know. Let's do a poll. I don't know how to do this, but I'm going to try how to make a poll in chat room. I don't know. Can I make a poll? Yeah, I can do a poll. So, go short from 58,300 and say yes or no. Let's go. Uh, let's see. Let's see. Going short from 58,300 or not? That's interesting. Let's see. That's going to be interesting. All right, we got one vote. um, yes, yes. All right, let's go short from this one. I would say, I don't know, 3 people watching. So 58,300, we can go short from this one. We got 5,800 right now, 58, 122, 23, 100. I don't really like this price action, to be honest, and I don't really like it in both ways. Um, 2 votes, and we got 100% yes. All right, guys. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. 44, 45, 49, 50, 60. No, 60, 60, 40. Can we go to a 300 once again? Can we go to a 300 once again? I don't know. Maybe. That's kind of flags that fuck you up, right? So we got entry on this flag. We got entry over here. We wanted to, to go to the upside, but it's not. So this is kind of patterns that actually are reversal patterns, and that's what we need to learn from this market right now. All right, and this ball, 100% yes. All right, 100% yes from 58,300. And okay, let's sell from 58, 200. Yeah, 200, pushing to 200s, pushing to 15s. Okay. Oh my God, Nasdaq going up. Oh, sorry, Nasdaq. I was saying Nasdaq. S&P going up. S&P breaking through 540s. Finally. Bitcoin is struggling to keep 200s or break below 200s. I see a little bit of weakness over here. Still pushing to 150s, 60s. Let's see how it goes to around 200s, and then I'm going to push the sell button. 100, 203. And you can see here we still kind of rolling over VWAP on the 10-second chart, and 30-second chart, sorry, and yeah, kind of rolling over 200 to 100. So it's still pushing to the upside. Like if I'm going to connect all these resistances over here, we got the breakout from resistance, but on this chart we still don't have this. And let's wait for confirmation on the Kagi. When you got a reversal on the Kaji, you don't have like a time frame. You got only the market push up or push down, and when the market is turning over, you get this sideways on the not sideways in terms of just move to the side from the Kaji. Yeah, we got a rejection over here, trying to sell. I got in the position over here, selling. So I'm going to put stop loss over 327. So we got this short. We got this short. Price is pushing. Price is trying to push. We need to break through 58,000 to go lower. All right. So this is what I was talking about, that we need this rollover on the Kaji to go down. And that's what we get. We got breakout from 58 back over. I'm going to move my stop loss. Actually, I'm going to move my stop loss over here. I want to put my stop loss right at 306. I don't want to go anywhere higher. I want to cover this really, really shortly. Let's check this chart again. So we're there. We're still there. We're still below the resistance. Got a little rollover on this one, but we got lower lows. We got lower lows over here, which is kind of good. S&Ps, meanwhile, S&P is going closely to our target. Going closely to our target. I don't want to end. I don't want to. I don't know. No. I just want to take these profits. That's it for today, I guess, on the S&P. And we got our profit target. Yeah, we got this trade. And Bitcoin over here is trying. You can see we're moving around. We're moving around 58,000 and moving around VWAP over here. And we kind of trying to push. We got this weakness over here at 58. And we still trying to push over here. So let's see. They're moving around VWAP. Not much. To pulling above VWAP. 58,100. So what we need here right here is another rollover around this resistance line, and that I guess going to push more to the downside. Let's see how this is going to go. So going 50, 40, 47, 30s, break into 20s, 10s. Come on, let's go. Breaking through 58s, and we are in 57 900s right now, right? Going lower a little bit. Touch at our level around 57 900. $57 900, trying to push below 57 900. Let's see how it will go more there. So we are still in this range. We're still there. Our low support at 57 500 in 50, almost 57 in here. Going back above 58. So 58 30. Looking back again on Kaji, looking for another rollover over here. We got one. That's the level of co-influence over the 58,000 that is trying to hold over here. It's trying to hold over here. And 58,000 was actually really hard to trade yesterday as well. 58 500 was quite hard to trade. Back to hundreds. 58 99 90 100. Going back over here, let's see where we going to have a rollover or not. We are at the resistance line over here. You can see that we got this resistance over here, and we're trying to make higher rollover, but let's see where we're going to land over here. Nice rejection from 58 100. Back to 58. I don't know. Maybe we can hold all over here, or are we going to break down? Breaking through this. Breaking through this. So we are getting through this 58 100 once again. We're breaking through resistance over here. Let's see how Kaji going to close. So we got rejection from 200s, but that could be potential breakout from here. What is S&P doing? So I'm glad we get these profits over here. We didn't trail it to the end. We just got this. What changed here? I don't know why, but there's some kind of data issue. So we got some data issue from Olanda. So okay, let's forget about it for a minute. Had some problems over here. So Bitcoin still doing technically making trying to break through 200s. That's, I mean, so we going to our stop loss level. Going to our stop loss level over here. And yeah, we got stop loss on this short. So yeah. So yeah, this is it. We're going with the shy profits on the S&P plus I guess 65 bucks. and we got two lost trades on Bitcoin, and it's about 150 loss on the Bitcoin. So around minus $90 loss on today on this session. And yeah, I'm going to stay on the market for a few more minutes. And like I said, this is a Friday. I don't really want to force any more trades right now. If I'm going to see more opportunities, I'm going to notify you in the Telegram. So for now, that's it. And yeah, I really enjoyed that you guys joined me on this one. And yeah, let's see how the market is going to develop on this evening. And yeah, guys, I wish you happy Friday and really nice profits today. I hope you enjoyed this one with me. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to notify you when we're going to get another live stream, probably in Monday. But let's see how it will go and what times, what time brackets I could have in the Monday. So yeah, thank you everybody for joining me today. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. See you next time.